everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds to a bank account on Binance. So I just officially logged in my Binance account. So here you will see there is my a low balance, and I will just tab on this take out. So I will just tab on withdraw. You can also sell on crypto. So I will just select my currency and select the method of P2P Express, because in my country there is no legally this Binance application. So I will just send to someone and it will be send me some cash of my giving amount. So just tab on P2P Express. So I will just tab on continue. So after inside, when I tap to continue, so here is the exchanger on the Binance. So here is the exchange rate of dollar. So I will just tap to sell and it will be send me in my bank account. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.